Ever wonder if gold really holds up when the economy falters? History has some answers. Gold has historically been a steady store of value, even during major economic downturns. The Why Precious Metals Guide highlights that in the 1970s, during periods of double digit inflation, gold rose over 1,000%. Similarly, in the 2008 financial crisis, it increased more than 100%. These examples show that gold has resisted economic pressures that hurt other assets. For investors, this means adding gold to a portfolio can provide stability when markets are volatile. This guide helps you see how lessons from past crises can inform today's retirement allocation choices. I'll link this guide in the description. And this guide is just one of 8 PDFs in the free Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle, alongside titles like Digital Dollar Report and Silver Scheme Report, all designed to give you a comprehensive understanding before making any investment decisions. Download the full bundle for free and explore how historical performance can guide your retirement planning with gold. You can find the link in the description.